Today's top news, 13th March. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Amrit Mahotsav on 91 years of Dandi March. Prime Minister reached Sabarmati Ashram accompanied by Gujarat Governor and Chief Minister. Prime Minister also paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi and registered his comments on the visitor's book. Prime Minister inaugurated the curtain raiser activities of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and flagged off a Padyatra from Sabarmati Ashram. The Mahotsav is a series of events being organized by the government to commemorate the 75th anniversary of India's independence. It will be celebrated as Jan Utsav in the spirit of Jan Bhagiyadari. The curtain raiser activities begin from March 12, 75 weeks prior to 15th August 2022. Haryana government presents Rs 1.55 lakh crore budget with focus on health and agriculture. The budget outlay comprises 25% as capital expenditure of Rs 38,718 crore and 75% as revenue expenditure of 1,16,927 crore. Filling of nomination papers begin on Friday for a single-phase assembly elections in Kerala, Tamil Nadu as well as Union Territory of Puducherry. All the 140 assembly constituencies of Kerala and 234 assembly constituencies in Tamil Nadu, along with 30 assembly constituencies in Puducherry, will go to polls together on 6th of April. Madan Kaushik appointed Uttarakhand BJP President, replaced Bansidhar Bhagat as BJP President of Uttarakhand on Friday. Yogi Adityanath-led Uttar Pradesh government has ordered to remove all the religious structures on public roads. The Home Department of Uttar Pradesh government has directed to district magistrates and Mandalayukts across the district to remove all the religious places that have encroached the roads. Good news for all central government employees. Finance Ministry has reiterated that 3 pending installment of dearness allowances of central government employees and pensioners will be restored prospectively as and when the decision is taken. BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari called himself a Bhumiputra as he filed his documents to contest the Bengal elections from Nadigram, where he has challenged his former mentor Mamata Banerjee. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was released from the hospital on Friday, with doctors saying she has responded well to the treatment. Home Minister Amit Shah will campaign in 2 states of Assam and West Bengal on March 14 and 15. Thank you, and that's all for today.